Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we are on week 42, and our prompts are part of a machine, and I've got this. It looks like some kind of vat of some type. A piece of your own writing, and I wrote out this quote: "Those that have done nothing in life are not qualified to judge those that have done little." Samuel Johnson. Okay, and I probably should put some quotation marks. And I think this is true for those that you get those. Thankfully, I don't get very many, but the commenters that want to be ugly and judgmental, and I always want to know where their channel is so that I can learn to do better. But anyway, I don't have that much here, but I did have some doozies when I had my cooking channel. All right, we have got something rough, and I've got this lizard type thing. An image of a place that is special to you, and I guess that would be Earth. A dessert, I've got this strawberry cupcake, and the bonus is a torn piece of paper, and my quote was on a torn piece of paper. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, so now I had this laid out this morning and I wasn't able to film, and now I hope I can remember how I did it. Something along these lines. And maybe I'm gonna get it right side up, because there we go, there's the United States. Cake and the vat. All these things to underline, I guess. That underlines, the tail underlines. Okay. Let me scoot this over just a little bit. Let me start putting some of this down. I know this is going on the bottom, so let me start with that. I do hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. It's kind of muggy, but we're supposed to get some bad weather coming in, and it's supposed to have a cold front coming through. So we'll see how that goes. We're supposed to have our lows in the 40s. Let's see. Oh, and I have some extra little bits and bobs. I've got this strawberry I thought I would use, just some of the stuff I have lying around. Figured you might want a bite of a strawberry. And see, I want to get this on there so that nothing's hanging over. Let me get his tail. My hands are sticky. There we go. Yeah, this came from my cut and collage book. This came from one of them. All of them. I think most of these pieces did, to be honest with you. Just not the same one, just sorted cut and collage books. There we go. Looks like he's standing on the earth. Okay, now we'll add that. I'm gonna get my tweezers. It's not a whole, like I say, a whole lot going on around here. Last week was a busy week. We had our revival. It was nice. And we had some good preachers. There we go. Oops. The only thing about these fiddly little pieces. There we go. And now for the cupcake. All right, now I've got little pieces here. Let's see, kind of. I've inked everything. So maybe something like that. Oh, maybe here. I think it's something like that. It just fills it in, I think. So we're allowed to add what we want to. And there we go. Now, let's see. Let me get my Stabilo O. I want to go around my cupcake. Not really wanting anything sweet right now. I fixed pancakes for lunch. Haven't done that in a while. I don't need them, but my son asked for them. But I love them, but man, they just, it's too sweet. That's all I've got is that sweet taste in my mouth. Okay, oops. Okay, we got that. Make some of these items kind of stand out a little bit. Just a little. Not overly worried about this one. And my little lizard creature. I don't think this is a gecko. I could be wrong. Might be a Komodo dragon. I don't know. His tail. There we go. It's the only thing about when you start outlining is you want to outline everything. I'm going to try to stick mostly with the prompts. hit this. Like I said, I didn't hit everything on this. There we go. I like it. And now, do I want gold or do I want black? Let me go with this coppery looking color. Something different. I'm about out of water. Go. And we'll call this one done. And we have got our part of a machine, a piece of your own writing, something rough, an image of a place that is special to you. I've got earth, a dessert, and a torn piece of paper. So there we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel and check out the hashtag 2025CWP42 to see what everyone else has made. So, I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.